Nina is asking if the husk is gonna be available in some shops in Siargao.
Who?
Nina.
I forgot. Yeah, no, of course. I mean, the goal for the house is to be all around the Philippines. We're starting our marketplace all over Metro Manila, November 30, and then online. We're gonna have a thing with TikTok also on the first week of December. And then, yeah, it's gonna be available everywhere.
Vince is asking you to
Cebu,
speak in
Davao.
French again.
Yeah, okay, so I see someone was there at the last live.
Asking him to
Yeah.
speak in French, so now someone's asking you again to speak in French.
Maybe later. But yeah, we did a live last time in Maison Bucana, my resort. With Nadine, everyone saw it because we were on the not Nadine's page.
Wanna get a chance to win any of the prizes. Tomorrow we do have a 10% off. Tomorrow until the 17th we do have a 10% off sale. You just have to enter the code. Nadine is like 10. Yeah. So you just have to enter the code. Huh?
Then what? 10%?
And so that's 10%
Yeah.
off. So if you guys gusto nyong mabol sa raffle, just go to Boozy and then avail that 10% off discount starting tomorrow.
One bottle, one entry is pretty straightforward. And the prizes are a dinner with us, I guess, for how many people? I think 5 people.
5 people, yeah.
And we've been thinking where to do this dinner for Maison Bucana Wine prize. It's going to be really exciting because we want to share a lot of things. And
It's going to be an intimate, intimate dinner.
We want to keep it very
Simple.
natural and organic.
Yeah.
So it's just going to be dinner with friends, and then of course the food's going to be amazing, and yeah, we're going to make sure of that. Also stay in my resort for 3 nights.
You guys saw the resort naman last time. Remember when we gave them a tour?
And then also we have cases of wine with accessory box. So yeah, 3 days left for this raffle. Then we're gonna announce the winner when? I think November. No,
In 10 days. Yeah.
okay. So you guys have
Just
3 days.
We'll keep you posted.
You guys have 3 days to go on Boozy to enter the raffle. 1 bottle, 1 entry. And then yeah, what's the code again? And
Nadine is live 10.
Nadine is live 10. Starting tomorrow, the promo code.
Ooh, also, we're gonna be at the Veg Fest on Saturday and Sunday. So I hope we see you guys there. Honestly, can you cook the ham, please? Honestly, the Veg Fest is really fun, just because it's a lot of food. It's a lot of food, a lot of beauty products, a lot of like home stuff.
Yeah, it's really amazing. For those who want to get, are interested in like what we're advocating for and what's our lifestyle and ours, but also maybe hundreds, thousands of Filipinos, 10,000 maybe of Filipinos now. Just go to the Veg Fest in Blue Bay Walk near Moa. It's going to be Saturday and Sunday. It's so amazing because, like Nadine said, so much food and everybody loves food. It's all plant-based, all from the Philippines. You get to see like a lot of farmers, a lot of producers who you probably never heard of that are doing crazy stuff made in the Philippines with our own resource. So there's like ice cream burgers, like adobo stuff, but also sweets. I mean, there's
a lot of
everything.
Filipino dishes that you can think of. Okay, I'm gonna read comments while you're cooking. Wow, okay, there's so much comments already. JM's watching. Oh my god.
But yeah, go to the Veg Fest. It's an amazing venue. It supports local. It supports the animals, the humans, the environment. So you guys should really check it out. Just come empty stomach. That's the one requirement. There's no entrance fee. Just go there.
So I guess Paul ended his life. He says, I want rosé. Come here. You're just around you're just here in the other building. Punta ka na dito, Paul. Guys, saan yung promo ulit? So the raffle is with Boozy.ph. So when you guys go to Boozy, there's, I think before you check out, meron dong parang space where you can enter the promo code. The promo code is Nadine is live 10. So that's a 10% off discount.
Where's the thing?
I love how everyone is commenting on my haircut. I'm not my hair anymore.
Because everybody thought you had short hair already.
I mean, my hair is still pretty short.
Oops.
But yeah. Guys, if you want my haircut, go to Kubo. Nag-plug. I'm plugging Densho. Go to Kubo and look for Densho. He's
You want my haircut also.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
He does both of our hair. So if you like my hair, just look for Densho. Oh my god, there's so many comments.
No.
What?
Okay, wine. How much you know for wine? Well, ice is.
Kit Kat Chan says hello from Madrid.
Hmm?
Kit Kat Chan says hello from Madrid. Hello to Belle Tots, who is in Singapore. Until when Bev, I don't know, Bev CSTR, is it Castro? She's asking when the pre-order until when it's going to be. Well, I'm not sure.
Until it lasts.
Until it lasts, probably.
It's like
I mean, Sam is watching, so Sam is actually one of our partners.
Yeah, Sam should comment.
He's watching, so Sam, can you please help us out?
No,
So she's asking when is the pre-order, how long the pre-order is going to last.
I believe it's until it lasts, and we're gonna see. I mean, until it runs out. I don't know.
Maybe, I'm not sure.
But bottom line is just like get yours, just secure it.
Yeah. I swear it's really, really nice. I mean, we've used it for different drinks already. Oh my gosh, should we show it?
Yeah, I mean the packaging's already out anyway.
Yeah, we should show it too. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys the husk. Yeah. Okay.
That's a very cute case of four.
Six. No, four.
Six.
Six. No, it's only
Yeah.
5 because I used one.
Yeah, it's
one
only
is in
5.
my fridge.
But yeah, you can order like 1 liter or a case of 6. Thoughtfully made in the Philippines, of course.
I love how we're low-key promoting all of our stuff here. It's the best. Sam says, okay, I read Sam's comment. He said until November 28 and will deliver by November 30. So if you wanna try the husk, pre-order na kayo guys. It's on our website, thehusk.com. Again, it's only 179 pesos. Yeah, I'm excited for everyone to try it. Honestly,
You want rosé,
it's impressive. Yes,
Or white, or
rosé, please. It's
I'm gonna
impressive.
get white. Is there open white? Wait.
Yeah, okay. I'll make this sandwich now. So, yeah.
Not even kidding, this is really our favorite rosé. I mean, our favorite wine. The rosé one really has it literally smells like, for me, like kind of strawberry ice cream, especially with ice. But it's crazy how the strawberry is strong. Anyway, you want? I'm gonna get one. Where's the wine?
Did you want the bigger sandwich or the smaller one? Babe,
Huh?
you wanted the bigger bread or the smaller one?
No, this is fine. If I get rosé, well,
There's one in the fridge. Ah.
no, not white.
Huh? I literally just. It's right here.
So what is this supposed to be? Sliced ham or?
Yes. It's like, looks like what?
Spanish.
Ham. Okay. I'm not gonna finish this sandwich if I keep reading stuff. Okay.
It's my birthday. Happy birthday.
Will you be doing other non-dairy milk, like oat milk? See here.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone's seen.
Yeah, other milk. I mean, why not? If you guys support DeHusk and we we definitely wanna do mostly Filipino-born produced milk. So we don't produce oats. I don't think so yet. But we do produce cashew, pili, rice. I don't think peanut mix. No. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff we can do. And why not oat milk? But as much as we can, we want to produce locally. So let's see. But everything is possible.
Guys, on the weekend, if you're not doing anything, visit us at Veg Fest. We're gonna be there. So, yeah, excited.
We're gonna be there for Mesa Magana Wines and also DeHusk.
For DeHusk, so. Oh yeah, so would they get to try?
Yeah, we're selling it. We're selling DeHusk.
Yeah, so I guess whoever wants to come and check out Veg Fest. Honestly, guys, it's really fun. I super enjoyed the.
Adopt, like cat, dogs and cat. There's also gonna be PETA Asia there, and yeah, you can adopt a cat or a dog that's been rescued. So, and there's also a lot of activists, environmentalists, animal rights. So they will really explain to you what all of this is about and why it's so important, and how Philippines is affected by all this, and how we can, it's also a solution to many of our issues.
Yes.
So yeah, it's really cool to go there, just talk to everyone, good food. I mean, there's also going to be a fashion show.
Yes.
I think I'll...
Like last year.
Yeah, like last year, I think I'll fashion show. There's going to be a cooking show also, like between university that have to cook, and actually I'm going to be one of the judges. So
Again?
yeah.
Oh, nice.
So that's fun. A lot of conference, a lot of talks.
I'm not really looking
It's
forward.
honestly, yeah, even if it's also work. It's for me one of the most exciting dates of the year. Definitely 16 and 17. So this weekend. Cheers.
This ice is so big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is our sliced hand cooked.
You know, this is the. Oh, I forgot to take out this stuff again. It's okay.
Honestly, you would never see the difference with the animal version of this, and this is way healthier.
It's really impressive.
Yeah.
And the brown. I think put it already. I'm super hungry.
It's good. By the way, you can buy this stuff where? Vegan Grocer. Vegan Grocer is an amazing shop. That's Filipino born as well, and she's a vegan since what 40 years, something like that. Crazy.
40 years?
Yeah, I think she's no maybe less.
No, less. Sorry.
So yeah, you get all your stuff there. You get very affordable everything. Most of it is made in the Philippines. Everything, butter, ice cream,
Yeah.
everything.
Impressive. This
First, you will find our wine and DeHusk there.
This butter is really good. Nonetheless, they actually sell this in. Diba? How big is it?
1 kilo, yeah, in the Vegan Grocer.
Yeah.
The kilo is 390 pesos, 390 pesos, which is
So cheap.
extremely like half the price of dairy butter, like proper dairy butter.
Yeah.
Super worth it, and better for you and the animals and everything. So it's a no-brainer.
Yep.
So what's going on?
Read comments. Sorry, I put it already because I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, Nadine cleans up as she cook. I can't do that. I just
He
make a
cooks.
huge mess, and then after
Yeah, he cooks. He's the one that cooks, and I'm the one that cleans after.
yeah, I'm having a really hard time to clean Isaiah. There's no question.
Guys, ask us questions. Ask us about anything at all. Or you want me to ask you questions? Okay, I have a question.
Wait. So just because there's a few questions about the Veg Fest again, the Veg Fest is 16, 17 of November. So this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, at Blueberry Walk in near Moa.
Pasay.
Yeah, in Pasay, and I think it's
I forgot the cheese.
yeah, you need to put it in the bread.
No.
I think it's from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. something like that. But the point is that you can stay all there, all day, and eat all day there.
Ooh,
There's
yeah.
everything you need.
Eat all day sounds right.
Like there's so much stuff to try. Like you get stuff like any taste is represented. Filipino, international food, mostly Filipino, but yeah. Why not do this more often, President Ali?
I don't know, maybe.
Question from Tony.
No, but honestly, I really like, I'm happy that we have a broadcast channel now because it's so nice interacting with everyone. But I guess for you, I guess for us the difference is that your broadcast channel is more factual. I guess it's more like stuff about veganism, food.
Yeah.
Why don't you wait?
Well, I'm not in showbiz, so.
No, but
Ali
it's
is,
nice because
is research and data.